Everyone, I got this package in the mail from my friend. So let's see what I got. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Oh man, I ripped the stamp. Oh, whatever, it's just a line stamp. I love the envelope. I actually love the envelope. Ooh, we got fireworks, Mike Trout, and let's see what else I think we got here. Hold on. Look at this. Every hour, Lord, I also, Lord. Oh shit. Bohorvat. Alright, tigerwoods. KSA 9.5 near gem mint rookie card. Tiger Woods rookie card number 1, 2001 upper deck. Tiger Woods. And this is my first KSA version of Tiger Woods rookie card. I had an SGC 9, D6 9. Heroes and Prospects Subway Super Series jersey auto and auto bohorvat in the game white patch. You have received a Subway Super Series jersey and auto card from 2013-14 in the game Heroes and Prospects series. On the front of this card is a piece of from the game used bohorvat 2013 Subway Series jersey and an authentic bohorvat autograph. The authenticity of this autograph is guaranteed by In the Game Inc. Enjoy your piece of hockey history as you get in the game. Alright, and the free card for the day. I get a Mike Trout, Los Angeles, 27. Panni Fireworks Prizm card. Alright, if you liked the video or share this one friend or more, hit the bell icon and donate to sherwinld@outlook.com. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.